In the quiet of the night, running circles round my head, holding questions in my heart, 'cause they never seem to end. I'm searching for the answers in this world so vast and wide. But I know that in your presence all my deepest doubts subside. So I will stand strong in the presence of all of the truth I have found, and I will hold on to the joy that I know never leaves when the world is so blurry and the winds take hold on me. I will stand strong, 'cause I know He is standing strong for me. And I know, yeah I know, yeah I know He is standing strong for me. And I know, yeah I know He is standing strong for me. Through the pages, through your words, your promises unfold. What a treasure, and His worth outweighs the purest gold. I'll walk the path of faith if you're my guiding light. And I know that with your grace I'll find the truth in time. So I will stand strong in the presence of all of the truth I have found, and I will hold on to the joy that I know never leaves when the world is so blurry and the winds take hold on me. I will stand strong, 'cause I know He is standing strong for me. When I'm out on the water, I'm lost on my own, I will call out 'cause He'll never leave me alone. Oh, with my feet on the ground, it's so simple to see He's standing strong for me. I will stand strong in the presence of all of the truth